Welcome to Talkio AI. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use Talkio AI and help you get started quickly and easily.
You can use Talkio AI directly from your web browser, but for faster and more convenient access, we recommend adding it to your mobile home screen. If you're using an iPhone, tap Add to Home Screen from Safari's Share menu. If you're using an Android device, select Add to Home Screen from Chrome's menu.
Now that you're all set up, let's take a moment to customize your learning environment before we get started.
First, let's configure your language settings. Select your native language, then choose the language you'd like to learn from over 70 available languages. Next, set your proficiency level. Choose the option that best matches your current ability: beginner, elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, or advanced. Your proficiency level helps personalize the learning experience. The tutor will automatically adjust the vocabulary difficulty and sentence length to match your level. Once you've selected the language you'd like to practice, you'll be able to choose from a variety of AI tutors, each with a unique personality. Listen to their voices and pick the tutor that feels right for you. The more you learn with the same tutor, the more personalized and natural the experience becomes over time. When selecting a tutor, you can also adjust the speaking speed to match your learning pace. Choose the speed that feels most comfortable for you. The multilingual speech recognition feature allows the tutor to understand you no matter which language you speak. Even if you ask a question in your native language, the tutor will understand and continue the conversation in your selected practice language.
Once you've completed all the settings, it's time to start your lesson. From the home screen, select Start Daily Session, and the tutor you chose will begin the conversation. You can then choose whether you'd like to chat by text or by voice. If you're ready to practice freely, simply type your response or speak directly to the tutor, and let the conversation flow. Not sure how to respond? That's okay. You can simply select one of the suggested responses provided by Talkio. If you'd like to focus more on speaking, try switching to voice mode. By hiding the text and focusing only on voices, you can enjoy a more immersive learning experience. If you come across a word you don't know during a conversation, simply click on it to see its meaning instantly, or save it to your vocabulary list for later review. When learning on your mobile device, be sure to try hands-free mode. Once you've finished speaking, the conversation automatically moves on to the tutor's response, so there's no need to press any buttons. Pretty convenient, isn't it?
During your conversations, you can receive instant feedback on individual sentences and review your entire conversation through a daily evaluation. With both sentence-level feedback and a summary of your daily performance, you can refine your expressions and communicate more accurately. As your conversations accumulate over time, session evaluations and weekly reports help you track your progress and better understand your learning patterns.
After each conversation, you can also practice your pronunciation. Whether it's a random sentence suggested by Talkio, a sentence containing a specific word, or even a sentence you create yourself, you can practice speaking and receive accurate feedback every step of the way. The more consistently you practice, the more noticeable your pronunciation improvements become over time.
You can view all of your learning progress at a glance from the dashboard. From your study time this month and consecutive learning days, to your vocabulary list, pronunciation records, and weekly evaluations, everything is organized to help you track your growth over time.
Another great feature of Talkio AI is topic-based learning and role-playing practice that helps you use the language naturally in real-life situations. With topic-based learning, you can choose from a variety of scenarios, such as meetings, business trips, travel, and everyday conversations, and practice them as if they were happening in real life. During a conversation, simply describe a role or situation, and the tutor will instantly adapt its speaking style to match. Choose a scenario or assign a role, and naturally learn expressions you can use in real-life conversations.
With support for over 70 languages, including Korean, Talkio AI is all you need for language learning. Start building a daily speaking habit today. and make every conversation count with Talkio AI.
Don't speak. Let's talk.